Good afternoon. My name is Karina Carter, and today I will be talking a little about essay tests and hopefully help you understand how to build and score them effectively. So, what exactly is an essay question? Simply put, an essay question is a written answer to a test question to identify how well students can recall and organize information. An essay question is a form of constructed response assessment, and it is also used for specific classroom assessments. Essay questions are beneficial because they are easier to construct, provide a logical way to test a student's ability to form a written composition, and measure higher level thinking. With all of that being said, you will still need to set aside time to construct suitable essay questions. When building essay questions, a teacher should give a clear idea of the response desired. The students need to know the desired depth of their response. These responses are described as restricted and extended response items. A restricted response item limits the form and content of students' responses, and an extended response item provides students with more freedom in responding. When creating these items, you must also describe the student's task in detail and provide students with the time limit and the point value of each item. The most important part of an essay item is the description of the assessment task. The assessment task is what students respond to when they generate essays. On top of having a descriptive assessment task, you must also have a clear prompt. A prompt simply tells the student what they will be writing about. The prompt must be set forth clearly to your students. If you are unsure about the clarity of the prompt, put yourself in your student's shoes and decide if the prompt is one they are likely to understand. Here I have written a few essay question examples based off of a book we hypothetically read in class called Hatchet. The first question states, after reading the book Hatchet, answer the following essay question. Write your answer in written form. You have 40 minutes to answer this question. Imagine that you were forced to survive in the wilderness like Brian. After reading about his experiences, what strategies would you use to survive on your own? Use no more than 5 paragraphs to explain which strategies you would use. And it tells the student there that it's worth 70 points. After reading the book Hatchet, answer the following essay question. Write your answer in written form. You have 20 minutes to answer this question. Using only the front side of your test paper, give 3 examples of good luck and bad luck that Brian had when he was stranded in the wilderness. And then this states that it's worth 30 points. There are a few guidelines to scoring your students' essay questions. You need to score responses using several factors to arrive at a decision about the quality of the response, which brings you to your overall evaluation. Some factors to use are organization, clarity, adaptation to audience, word choice, and mechanics, such as spelling, capitalization, and punctuation. You'll also need to prepare a scoring key or rubric before scoring the student's responses. You also need to score all responses to one essay item before moving on to the next, and you will need to evaluate responses anonymously. The reason you should evaluate responses anonymously is because you as a teacher think that you know your students' writing styles, and that could sometimes cloud your scoring. Well, that concludes my presentation, and I hope you have learned how to successfully create and score essay test questions. If you have any questions at all, just let me know and I'll be sure to answer them. Thank you.